Well, the way it's working out today is getting the cattle up is not the problem in the rain. We've had to do that quite a bit in life, but working the cattle, you know, with everything we got to do, there's not a barn over at this particular farm. We got 2 farms we need to go get some cattle up at. There's not a barn at the bigger farm, so we could get them all up, but everybody's going to be standing out in the pouring rain the way it looks. So we talked to the farmer, and I think what we're going to do is pick a better day that they're not calling for rain showers. He's got some guys that, you know, once we get the cattle up, he's got some guys over there that help push the cattle in the chute and everything like that, but they don't want to stand out in the pouring rain.
Going into Ingles to get some kind of chicken, and we're gonna make slaw like the slaw at Cumberland Jack's in Gatlinburg. Yes. So we're gonna try to copycat that, and we're gonna make some chicken, biscuits, and macaroni and cheese. We need some cucumber, I know. I want a lot of these. Y'all, we had a serrano pepper on the pepper plant. Did you see it?
No, I didn't, but we already, let me slow down. I'm so excited I can't talk. We have already eaten all of our chili peppers.
Yes, we ate them all.
We didn't even give them a chance to hardly get going good. We just went out there and ripped them all off.
They were so good, but I ate that serrano one at lunchtime.
We like these right here.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
We really do. It's a different kind of heat. Have you some bread, something to eat with?
Yeah. Cheese helps.
Cheese does help.
With the heat.
That pepper right there is it spreads.
Right.
Like it's not like a jalapeno pepper. You eat a jalapeno pepper and it
stays, yeah.
It's a thick, but that habanero spreads
all over your lips,
yeah,
and everything. And I have a big red tomato. Their tomatoes were really firm, though. It was little bitty cubes, but they were really firm.
Yeah, I think.
What do you think?
Maybe some of these little small ones.
Yeah, but those get mushy. These were really firm, like almost not quite. Probably like these. We need a really firm tomato.
I'm telling you, if you get these right here, these pop.
Yeah, I know, but these were like a really firm, not quite ready yet tomato. Like I don't know.
I think we need to try these right here.
We're having a disagreement in Ingles.
Let's try these right here.
We'll have to scoop all them seeds and mushiness out.
Yeah.
I'll put you in charge of that.
Okay.
We wasn't really in disagreement, y'all.
No. We don't disagree.
Ever. Never, ever.
We have intense moments of fellowship.
That's right. That's what we're... I say, look, if I would have been down here, y'all would have seen that buggy turn to the right, hard to the right at those cakes over there, and then he came back.
I was like, not today.
I think it was over here.
What kind was it?
3 pepper.
3 pepper?
Yeah.
I thought it was in this area right here.
I did too. You might have been right over there.
Really? What about this? That's New York cheddar cheese. You want to just give that a shot?
Yeah, that's fine. What's pepper to you? Is that a pepper?
Oh, that's a nice pop-ball. What they call it.
Oh yeah, boar's head is what that 3 pepper was. Let's see. They might not have it today.
Let's try this right here. This
okay.
Pep-ball.
We got some pep-ball cheese over here.
You cannot go wrong with scalloped.
Right, and that's a family size, so that 1 box will be good.
Okay.
Somebody said, and it's probably just Walmart. Oh no, it is here. God's Flavortown sauce, but they don't have the donkey.
They don't have donkey?
No, we'll have to check and see if Walmart has the donkey. They have the hickory barbecue, Carolina, and honey. Buttermilk.
Seal Test makes the best biscuits.
Yes. They also have really good chocolate milk.
They do. You
got 2 kind of people in the world. One kind puts the heavy things on the bottom part of the buggy where they belong.
And the other ones crush everything. They go ahead and crush their maters.
Breyers has a new thing, Star Spangled Scoops. It's strawberry, vanilla, and blueberry ice cream.
That's the only other ice cream I've ever seen that has almonds. That's good stuff.
See this? Those cow tracks are good too, right there.
What are we doing? We are on pause right here, just looking at this ice cream.
We got stuck here. That Blue Bunny soft serve peanut butter cup right there, it's dangerous. Be careful. If you get that, just be careful.
Here's what I'm gonna do tonight. I got a good scoop of peanut butter here, and I'm gonna make these kids some sundaes. They're gonna be good. Anything you put peanut butter on is good. I'm gonna go ahead and give us a double layer right here, around the inside too. Get these kids excited.
I'll go ahead and start the scalloped potatoes real quick.
Well,
Yeah.
when we was up there in the mountains, everybody, we went to this deal on the chairlifts, and there was a man up there doing balloon work. And I've thought about going into balloon business myself. As I was watching him, I got to thinking up some things that I could probably do. Now, I don't have talent making different animals and things like that in the balloon business. I see a group of people walking up through there, and I get the little family around. I'll be like, now listen, all I can offer right now, dressed up like a rodeo clown at a rodeo, is if I go yellow, I could do you a banana. Blow it up, and you know, it kind of gets this little turn to it anyway. And blow up a yellow one, that'd be a banana. Brown, tie off the end of it, pop 2 dots on the end of it, call that an earthworm. I can get you a white one and do like the thumbnail of the moon. My favorite one of all is I'm gonna have a red balloon, and the only twist that I can do, and I feel like this is gonna be really the highlight of what I do, is a string of hot links. Bananas, hot links, earthworms, or a partial moon. Any of y'all kids be interested in something like that? Sweetie, you want some you want an earthworm or you want some hot links? That's what I'm talking about. Hot links is gonna be the best of all. I can see me now sitting outside of a rodeo. Twist it up 5 times, have a roll of hot links right there.
Y'all, I've told y'all this before, but I'm a rule breaker on scalloped potatoes. It says to bring the water to a boil and all that jazz. For years, I've never brought the water to a boil. They always turn out just fine.
This peanut butter's gonna work real good for this. I tried to find the marshmallow fluff in there, y'all. Couldn't find it. Ingles moved all their stuff. Try to make people shop in different areas of the store because people get in the habit.
See things you've never seen before. That's their trick. All that boiling water does is dissolve up that.
This nurse still talking about that boiling water.
I mean, you don't have to wait, you know, you can just get it straight in the oven without having to wait on that water to boil.
This right here is gonna be a good Sunday. I don't care what nobody says, I can already tell.
What are you gonna do with those? Put them in the freezer?
Yeah, we're gonna put them in the freezer.
Oh, okay.
That's what we're gonna do. Now, I didn't come up with this, everybody. I watch
The kids call him the milkshake man.
I watch the milkshake man in the evenings.
His channel's called The White Elephant. He makes all kind of milkshakes and floats.
He knows how to make them too. But I don't think he minds if I use it.
No, he doesn't mind.
He seems like a nice guy. Seems like he'd be a nice grandpa.
Let's just call him Grandpa.
Grandpa!
Gramps. I got scalloped potatoes in the oven.
The
We're gonna make
non-heated
this.
water scallops.
Yes, we're gonna make this white cheddar and black pepper shells and cheese that we got from Aldi. But we won't start this until the chicken and biscuits is almost done. Oh yeah, I need to make the slaw real quick. You can make the biscuits while I make the slaw. Can you put the sprinkles up for us, Cece?
I'm gonna need directions on the biscuit.
How did y'all get peanut butter on this bowl over here? Here you go.
Peanut butter will get everywhere. You gotta watch that stuff. Okay, going in with 2 cups of flour, self-rising. Grab you a bowl and some flour and let's get to making some biscuits tonight.
6 tablespoons of butter.
Let me get me my little cutting board here. Where's the little cutting board, Mama? The one that
It's usually hanging
the
over
one that I love.
Oh, Cece's got it
Oh,
over here.
Sissy's got that one,
Yeah,
okay.
she's getting the cabbage sliced up for me.
Good.
Now, he's made biscuits before.
They turned
but
out like
just-
a brick.
Yeah,
They turned out like a brick. We could have bricked a house with those
I
things.
think one time you might have made some good ones, did
Baby,
you?
I don't think so.
Oh.
That was in a good dream you had. Mine was actually just like a nightmare.
I'm just gonna chop the cucumber up into little bitty pieces. Probably just 2 of them. I got some of these little mini cucumbers.
Now just dump that butter right over into there.
You're gonna start with a cup of buttermilk, but buttermilks are all kind of different. Some of them are thicker than others, so you might end up needing a little bit more butter.
Whoop, I found a big chunk of butter here.
Yeah.
We better cut that one up.
I'm putting the cabbage and the cucumber over into this bowl. And I think I'm gonna put just those little minced onions in here.
Okay, everybody, now I'm mixing my butter around like this right here. And Sissy's mixing up she's shaking up the buttermilk for me. Now what, Mama?
Now you just start mixing it, and you can use
Why don't I use this right here?
Okay,
Can I borrow this one? I'm gonna borrow this one, everybody.
There you go.
This is the right size, got a good feel to it.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a little bit of this apple cider vinegar. Not much at all. I mean, when we say little, we talking about, that's enough, right?
That's probably enough, yes.
I mean, that's it.
For us, that's enough. Now we're just putting salt and pepper. We already had the mayonnaise in there. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of sugar.
You want me to go ahead and start mixing it?
When you get that mix, taste it and see if you think it needs anything else. And I'm gonna be washing these dishes.
I really believe this is just about spot on here. That's fantastic. You want to time this too. I don't know if we've ever talked about this before, but this is something I think is very important. If you're preparing a meal, like you don't want to get your chicken done, that chicken's going to be pretty quick right here.
Yeah, new cooks especially might not think about that.
Right.
You know, that you need to cook the thing that takes the longest first.
Right, because that's something that we wouldn't have thought about 22 years ago. But
we probably didn't a few times. We probably had fried taters done getting cold waiting on the biscuits.
That can happen.
Wouldn't that be sad? There we were, waiting on some biscuits.
I look like a toothpick. I look like a toothpick with a cowboy hat on. All you can see was my jawbones and my belt buckle. Look like a hat rack, what I look like.
I needed some fried potato biscuits.
I needed them taters. I'd just sit over there and be like, please feed me. Oh, 22 years down the road, I'd say, please take the taters away. Ain't nothing like a tater biscuit. All right, let's try this macaroni first. It's good.
Yeah.
Really good, yeah. What about this slaw now? It's been sitting for a while now. That mater fell off, but we're not gonna worry about that. That's almost good. I'm very happy about my biscuit. I nailed that.